What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. And behind us, guys, we have the one and only Luis's Charger. A little late night modification install, but he needed my help for today. He actually has a carbon fiber splitter that we're going to be replacing right here. And we had to get a little creative. The charger is naturally at a good ride height, so it's a little low. I do not have a low profile jack. That's something I do need to invest in. But we got a little creative. We got one of these wooden planks, and it was just the right amount to get right under the car. That way we can go ahead and jack it up. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one off. This is a splitter that he got wrapped in like some matte, well, not matte, but was it like just, yeah, matte carbon fiber. Last time he was here, we also hooked it up because it was falling apart, but you can see this piece is broken right here, and that's about it. But look at this, guys. Just check it out. He finally got his carbon fiber hood. Last time this thing flipped up on the street, so he was riding without a hood for a little bit, but he's got it back up there, and it is looking pretty spiffy. But also he got some hood pins. Trying to be that cool guy over here, so he got hood pins. I mean, nobody would want to steal, a stock engine or anything, 392, but yeah.
Oh, so I can go fast.
Oh, so you can go fast. Now we go more security for the hood, guys, but I think he needs some mirror cover pins, because look at this. Check this out. No mirror covers on one side, but the other side is still
airflow.
Oh, you got airflow, you got the aerodynamics going on. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and try to knock this out by tonight. Should be a rather simple install. Guys, I'm telling you, we can never just have a clean install. Check this out. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. There was like no more thread on this thing. This thing was just like, it was completely flat. I had to like try to drill a hole in here. Miraculously just came out. But I mean, this would have taken us just another 10 minutes trying to get this out, but it's always something, always. This guy literally just wanted to take off the last bolt. That way he can say he did something. Like,
shut up, man. What? I am working on the car.
Okay.
Damn.
I go over the car. I go right faster. How you do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
all right, guys, so this is off of eBay. Wanted to show you guys real quick. I mean, the quality of it is not bad. This is hydro dip, man. It's not gonna be real carbon fiber. Something like this in real carbon fiber probably goes like $1,000, about $1,000. But you can see this is hydro dip. You can see under the splitter, you have where some of it got on here. But I mean, regardless, it looks really good. A comparison to the other one we had, or at least had. I mean, it's right here. This is in matte carbon. It's not a glossy finish. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It was just like what, regular black ABS plastic on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the exact same splitter. It's just like, and it's weird because he paid about $200 to $300 for this off of another website, and it's the exact same thing as this one right here. And this one you got on eBay for what,
120?
120, man. So 120, and you get the gloss carbon to it, little gloss finish, and I mean, it's gonna pair real well with the hood that he's got going on. All right, there we have it, guys, fully installed. It wasn't that difficult, honestly. It was all right. It was just a simple bolt-on. It was self-tap screw, so it was a 1 out of 5 on the difficulty meter. But yeah, man, I know this is a Mustang channel, but in reality, I just wanted to be a car channel in general. I know it revolves around the Mustangs since I have my V6 Mustang. Most of you guys follow me for that, but I just honestly want to just have it in general. Yes, the main focus is the Mustang, but always just working with cars, man, because working with cars and just having to do with anything with cars is pretty much just like our little hobby, man, and we really enjoy it. So like I said, I picked up YouTube just for fun, and it's just a hobby now, and just showing you guys the process that we put our cars through and the transformations. I just like to document and just have some fun with it, like when Luis got his car, it's been a long list of modifications already. I mean, so when he got it stock, got wheels, carbon fiber hood, full car wrap, splitters, side skirts, exhaust, the wicker bill, the aftermarket spoiler, cold air intake, I mean, I wish I would have like documented all that on his car. That way we could have seen like the transformation. Just like I wish we would have done it on mine. Like when I started the YouTube channel with mine, it was probably like halfway. I already had some stuff done to it. I wish I would have just shown it to you guys when I had it stock. It was a complete base Mustang. But yeah, man, I just wanted to show you guys the installs that we have going on and stuff like that. So if you're a Mopar fan or you came across this video because you're into Charger and you wanted to see how the eBay splitter, carbon fiber splitter would look on your Charger, how easy is the install? Well, I mean, welcome to the channel, guys. You already know Luis and everything, you know. But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for today, man. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Hope you all learned something. And this pretty much applies for any simple install splitter or side skirts or rear diffusers. Just as long as it needs self-tap tools, screw, guys. All you really need to do is just align it well and just have a drill to just screw everything on. It's really simple, honestly. It really is simple. It helps if you have another person, that way they can help you hold it and that way you can align it very well. But honestly, you can do it. Like, it's just super simple. But yeah, man, I'll catch you.